Ever wondered why some people get multiple insurances? Another is iba-iba ang type of insurances. And another is The primary reason to get insurance is for protection, especially for their dependents. Lalo if you are the breadwinner of the family, you need to make sure that if you are taken out of the picture, that they will still live a comfortable life. Sometimes, one policy is not enough to cover whatever expenses you have. Another is iba-iba ang type of insurances. And some people get one of each. Me personally, I have 4 insurances. Term insurance is paying for a lower or cheaper premium for short-term protection but with a higher protection coverage. VUL policies are added life insurance policies with investment that may be used for retirement. Another good thing with VUL is if, for example, in the future, nahirapan ako magbayad ng mga premiums ko, the funds that I earn in the investment could be used to pay for my premiums. And hindi agad-agad maglalapse yung policy ko. This same investment may be partially withdrawn or loaned from my account when the need arises. Of course, disclaimer lang that the investment returns are not guaranteed. Depende ito sa market performance of the fund that we invested in. What is guaranteed though is the cash value and the protection benefits that we get from the policy. Health insurance plans naman are for when you get sick. We all know that getting sick could be very expensive. Gusto natin, pag nagkasakit tayo, ay iniisip lang natin kung paano magpagaling at hindi na pinoproblema kung saan natin kukunin yung pangbayad sa mga medical bills and expenses natin. Lalo tayo magkakasakit niyan, di ba? And kung hindi man ako magkasakit and I live my whole life, I could get the maturity benefit as cash. Another is an endowment policy where I can get guaranteed lifetime passive income. This can be used for my retirement or pang-aral ng anak ko in the future or just additional income. This is a more conservative approach. Of course, all these include life protection. May mga additional benefits lang depending on what type of plan fit your needs. Especially for whole life insurance, it's a win-win situation. You get sick, you get health benefits. Mawala ka man sa mundo, your beneficiaries get the benefits. If napaka-healthy mo and you live up to 100 or the whole life coverage, then you get the maturity benefit as cash. So what is there to lose? At the end of the day, you only have 2 things to think about. What is the best policy for you and ano ba yung pasok sa budget mo? Remember, insurance plans only require you to pay a fixed amount of premium for the whole paying term. Say 2,000 pesos per month ang premium mo which you should pay for 10 years. In 5 to 10 years, ano na lang ba ang value ng 2,000 pesos per month? Your salary is increasing, everything is increasing, pero fixed pa din yung binabayaran mo. Dati ang laki ng value ng 100 pesos. Pero ngayon, minsan kulang pa ang 100 to buy a budget meal. By the way, the younger and healthier you are, the cheaper the premiums are. But it doesn't mean that it's too late to get insurances. Getting insurance at age 60 is still better than getting an insurance policy at the age of 61, or not getting any at all.
Don't wait for that day that no insurance company will accept you because you are no longer insurable.
Whether you get an insurance or not, someone will always pay during your sad times, sickness, accident, and disability. The question is who? The insurance company or your family? Send me a message if you want proper insurance consultation so you know what policy best fits you based on your protection and financial goals. To know more, check out these videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thanks guys, bye!